What's going on? It's your boy C Trail, and today I'm gonna give you a tutorial walkthrough step by step on how to use Agent GPT. Alright? Now, we all know about Chat GPT by now, alright? But this Agent GPT is 10 times even better, alright? So I go by C Trail. I'm a hip hop artist, entrepreneur, my apologies, creative, you know what I mean? I have tutorials on my channel, I have concerts on my channel, music videos, you know what I mean? Whip It in the Kitchen with C Trail, which is like a little cooking series of mine. You know, I have a lot of stuff on my channel that I offer. So if you like this video, subscribe to my channel, like the video, and leave a comment. All right. So without further ado, let's get into this Agent GPT. All right. All right. Here we go. So this is Agent GPT. Assemble, configure, and deploy autonomous AI agents in your browser. All right. Create an agent by adding a name/go and hitting deploy. Try our examples below. So if you see the examples, they have platformer GPT, which and then the goal is to write some code to make a platformer game. They have travel GPT, plan a detailed trip to Hawaii, and another and last example that they say is research GPT, create a comprehensive report of the Nike company. Now, if you see right here, they have web search. They just added this. This was not here about a week or two ago. So that will probably give us the ability to search the internet to make the results even more greater. All right. So what you can do is you can sign in or sign up to save agents and manage your account. I'm not going to do that for this sake of tutorial. We're just going to utilize and use Agent GPT. And the website for this is agentgpt.reworkd.ai. All right. So in this example, we're not going to use the web search. We're going to name this GPT social media GPT. And the goal is develop me 10 Instagram captions regarding the release of my new song, Forgive Me, Lord, that is available now on all platforms. So once you put in your name of your GPT and your goal, hit deploy agent. You have to sign in, which is fine. Let's sign in. I'm going to sign in using Google. All right. So now that I'm signed in, we got to do it over again. Social media GPT. Develop me 10 Instagram captions that regarding the release of my new single Forgive Me Lord that is available on all music platforms. Then you hit deploy agent. Now, if you can see, one moment. So, in order to hook up your Chat GPT with Agent GPT, you can use your OpenAI API key code that is in Chat GPT, and you can submit it to Agent GPT so they can, co-mingle and work with each other, right? I've exceeded my quota and my plan and my billing details with that. So in order to bypass this, what we're going to do is this. We're going to open this in an incognito window. Paste it. Copy the goal from the other one. Close that. Let's try it again. Social media GPT. Paste. Deploy agent. Sign in with a different account. All right, we're signed in. We're going to name it Social Media GPT. Paste the goal from the other one. We're going to scroll down, deploy agent. Now here we go. As you can see, it's embarking on a new goal and it's thinking. On the right hand side, it has created tasks that is going to complete. Okay? So as you can see, it says it has 3 tasks. Conduct a keyword research to identify popular hashtags related to forgiveness, music, and spirituality that can be used in the Instagram captions. And then it's going to analyze the demographics and interests of your target audience on Instagram to create engaging captions that resonate with them. And finally, it's going to create a list of call to actions that can be included in the captions to encourage users to stream, download, or share your new single. So then Agent GPT starts thinking, okay? So then it completes its first task. And here's the result of the first task. Now it's thinking again. And here it added some more tasks for itself. Keep scrolling. Let it think. So here's the result for this task. Sure, I can develop 10 Instagram captions for the release of your new single. To make the captions engaging and resonating with your target audience, I will analyze the demographics and interests of your audience on Instagram. Okay, let's get started. So let it keep thinking and reach all the way to the end. Now, while we're waiting and while it's thinking, you can export the whole conversation right here by making it an image, by copying it, or making it a PDF. Okay, so by the end of this, you can export this and save this for your collection. Okay, so it's still thinking. So here we have 10 Instagram captions for my new single. Okay, but it's going to provide even more based upon my target audience and everything else that it's going to do. So as you can see, here goes some more call to actions. captions. And here it gives you an analysis of what it just completed. And it's adding more tasks for you if you need more in-depth things to be completed. Okay? And it's going to keep running as long as you hit deploy agent. But now it is a demo and it has shut down. But it has provided a lot of helpful captions that you've asked for when you deployed the agent. So now this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to export as a PDF. Go to the PDF. And there you have it. Here is the 10 Instagram captions regarding the release of my single Forgive Me Lord. Those are the tasks. There are the captions. There's some more captions. And there's the analysis and the summary. And if I wanted to, I can copy these tasks down here, add it to the chat GPT. I apologize, agent GPT. Go and deploy the agent, and it will also do these tasks for me as well. And I can continue to do this as long as the quota doesn't fill. And if it does fill, I can just upgrade my account so I can use this repeatedly and constantly without interruption. So there you have it. That is Agent GPT. I go by C Trail. Thank you for watching this video and doing this step-by-step tutorial with me. I hope you learned something. I hope you gained knowledge because this is incredible information, incredible stuff. You know, I personally love AI. I think it's very helpful for the common man, and it's very, very helpful in a perspective of a content creator, okay? Now, and a hip hop artist, okay? So, without further ado, thank you for watching this video. I appreciate it. Like, share, and comment, and subscribe to my channel. I go by C Trail, and I'm out. Have a good one.